going on, UNH? How's everybody doing? We're gonna go into this workshop, right? We're gonna move a little bit, we're gonna talk, but most importantly, we're gonna have opportunity to learn how to be more effective communicators with each other, right? This is important because in whatever profession you're in, whatever relationship, right, be it romantic or platonic, family relationships, when you know how someone communicates, it makes it easier for you to build strong relationships that last from all around your tables, right? I want you to stay where you're at, but stay where you're at, but get up into groups of 7 real quick, right? The next thing I'm gonna ask you to do is I need one representative from each group to come up and get the following, right? Now, there are 4 colors, right? So we're gonna do this activity now where I want you to connect across 4 different groups. And these 4 different groups are gonna be predicated based on your number 1 color, right? Let's do a roll call real quick. Where my golds at? Golds, where my golds at? All right, where my blues at? Blues. Okay, where my greens at? And where my oranges at? At the front, you will choose a space your group is going to inhabit within the room, right? And I'm going to need a representative from each group to grab a piece of flip chart paper and a corresponding marker color that connects to your color. So now, in your groups, you notice on the PowerPoint, right? There's some group activity questions. 1 to 3 is mandatory. If you have time to answer the 4th one, that's cool. But 1 to 3 is mandatory. Everybody got it? All right, and begin.